to let you guys know that my online chocolate shop is now carrying dark chocolate truffles with the most delicious whipped dark chocolate ganache filling. They're so good, oh my gosh. They're only available for a limited time and we do ship internationally, so if you would like a box, definitely check out the link in the description box down below. Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So on Tuesdays, I post like cooking hacks or like little cooking tips that aren't really like a full recipe. And so today I'm going to show you how to make this really fun thing. I'm obsessed. I'm going to be calling them smoothie cubes. And what they are, it kind of like, the idea is to simplify your morning, prepping them and like pureeing them before freezing them versus just like using frozen fruit. It'll eliminate the need for a blender when you're popping the little cubes into the glass. And I actually got this idea from an ad I think I saw on Facebook. It's this company, I forget what it's called. Are they called Smoothie Cubes? I'm not sure. But basically they sell little like cubes and you add them to milk and you let them like sit overnight and the cubes melt into the milk and it becomes a smoothie. So you kind of like prep the night before and I was like, you could just like make that at home. So what you're going to do first is place each individual ingredient into a food processor if necessary, if it's something that needs to be pureed in order to be in the smoothie. So say like spinach or again like any kind of fruit that you'd like, and do those individually, and then once you have all of those little ingredients in individual bowls, pour them into an ice cube tray. Individually again, so you have each individual little component frozen into like each little cube. And you want to do this for any kind of favorite ingredient that you have for smoothies apart from the main liquid. So we're going to do that later. So in my ice cube tray I added some plain yogurt, I added some pureed mango, some berries, a really fun frozen mix I found that had strawberries, bananas, and kiwi, so I just pureed that all together and added that in. And as you can see, it looks very, very cute and colorful, at least in my opinion. And then you're gonna pop those in the freezer and freeze them until they become like their own little like ice cube. And then after that, just unmold them and pop them into individual freezer bags. So put each flavor in a different freezer bag. And that is basically the end of all the meal prep. So the idea is to have every component ready to go. And then the night before, all I need to do is pick and choose whatever you'd like in your smoothie the next day. So say the next day you're thinking that like a green smoothie would be ideal if you froze like avocado or spinach or stuff like that. Just put all those ingredients into a mason jar or whatever container that you're going to use the next day. And then fill that container up probably about 3/4 of the rest of the way full with any liquid that you're going to use in your smoothie. So you could, I guess, whatever you like water or coconut milk or coconut water, almond milk, anything that you like, and then pop that in the fridge. And so what's going to happen overnight is that the little ice cubes are going to melt, and so in the morning all you need to do is give it a shake to kind of mix everything together and your smoothie is ready to go. So this might seem like extra fuss. It seems so much easier to me because you're not dealing with washing a friggin' blender every morning. It's just, the idea of it just makes me never want to make a smoothie ever again. Even though it's not a lot of work, it just, I don't know, something about it does not work for me. And this works really well because anytime you're craving a smoothie, you're able to add the specific ingredients that you like. So if you're feeling pineapple one day but you're not the other, that's completely fine. And prepping them and like pureeing them before freezing them versus just like using frozen fruit, it'll eliminate the need for a blender when you're popping the little cubes into the glass. So I think that's the difference here, is that you're just blending the stuff when you're prepping all the ingredients, and after that you're just like thawing them in the fridge overnight. So yeah, I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna get hate on this video because it seems like such a silly idea, but I love it. It's so handy, and it's kind of just like having like a little like prepped smoothie buffet in your freezer whenever you like. And I think it would be even like ideal in the summer if you put all the little cubes and some liquid in like a thermos or something like that to go, and then through the day it'll melt or something like that, but it will still stay cool because all the ingredients are super cold. So yeah, anyways, let me know what you think. What is your favorite type of smoothie? This is kind of like getting me started into smoothies again, but when I was in university, I was doing grad school in Australia, there was like a smoothie place near like in like the little food court thing, and so every lunch I had like a massive smoothie, and I don't even remember what I had, but it usually has strawberries in it. That seems to be like the consistent theme for me. If there's strawberries, I'm more inclined to buy it, like strawberries and mango and stuff like that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If you have any other like tips or like short little videos that you'd like me to do, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for an all new video. Bye!